Now, let's talk about converting mixed number into improper fraction. So, let's take this example. We have here 4, 3 over 6, 9, and 2 over 5, and 3, and 1 over 3. So, how can we convert? Let's try this first example. So, 4 and 3 over 6. So, for example, we have here nga. So, ano ba yung first step? I-multiply lang yung whole number and yung denominator natin. So, 4 times 6, very good, it's 24. And, ipa-plus lang natin dito sa 3. So, 24 plus 3, it's 27. Very good. And then, copy lang yung 6. How about ito? 9 and 2 over 5. Again, imumultiply lang itong dalawa. So, 9 times 5, it's 45. And, i-add lang dito sa 2. So, 45 plus 2, it's 47. Very good. And then, copy lang yung denominator. Di ba? Napakadali lang.